Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Excel by Blue Star. I am Alex, and today, I will be walking you through how to hide rows in Microsoft Excel. Whether you want to declutter your spreadsheet or temporarily hide sensitive information, this tutorial has got you covered. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other Excel tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your Excel worksheet that contains the rows you want to hide. Now, let's select the rows that you want to hide. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the row numbers or use the Shift key to select multiple rows at once. Remember, you can select non-consecutive rows by holding the Control key, Command key on Mac, and clicking on the desired row numbers. With the rows selected, navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Format section, and you'll find a small arrow icon in the lower right corner. Click on this icon to access the Format menu. In the Format menu, you'll see various formatting options. Locate and click on the Hide and Unhide submenu. From the drop-down options, select Hide Rows. Great! You've successfully hidden the selected rows. If you ever need to unhide the hidden rows, the process is just as simple. Locate and click on the Hide and Unhide submenu. From the drop-down options, select Unhide Rows. Another way to do this is to select the rows and right-click and choose Hide. Once again, the rows are hidden. To unhide the rows, select the rows above and below the hidden rows, right-click, and choose Unhide from the context menu. The hidden rows will instantly reappear. And there you have it. You've learned how to hide rows in Excel. Whether you're organizing data, protecting sensitive information, or simply decluttering your worksheet, this skill will definitely come in handy. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Click now in the description to see more useful Excel tutorials.